it's about time for dinner and I'm only gonna do my makeup right now. I have my lenses from Kristen, and then I'll just link this series in the details below. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is my outfit for reunion dinner, and then right now I'm just gonna go in with my makeup. Okay, let's zoom you guys in a little. Okay, just gonna use this new one. This is the Morphe X Jeffree Star sponge. This one, it's not as soft as the other one that I like to use, the one from USG. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait, I think I'm gonna zoom you guys like that. Let me sit properly. Okay, nice. Okay, I'm gonna use this new one. Maybelline actually sent me this whole bunch of foundation and also the new lipsticks. Later I'm gonna use it, and then I'm gonna do like a swatch test for you guys too. So, and if you actually follow me on my Instagram, I actually do have all these PR updates for you guys. And also I just received the Paula's Choice Chia Seeds Omega Complex Serum, so I'm gonna use this now because I have nothing on my face. Ooh, I like a good serum, and this serum comes in such a huge bottle. Amazing. I love Paula's Choice skincare. It's always so good. Look at it. Oh my gosh, so freaking... Oh, it actually smells like chia seeds. For you girls out there who, you know, actually put in some chia seeds in their smoothie bowl, I think this will smell super familiar. Yeah, very spreadable. Look, oh my god, it's very refreshing also. Okay, and then new stuff that I bought from Sasa. Actually, a lot of them are from Watsons or Guardian too. A lot of Catrice stuff, drugstore items. I'm gonna use this Catrice Prime and Fine Pore Refining Anti-Shine Base. This one, oh, it's not even open yet. Okay, just use this. Ooh, like that. This is long lasting and oil free. I really hope that I'll be able to get this video out by tonight, so you guys can actually follow this makeup tomorrow for CNY day 1. Okay, the first product I'm using is this Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in Natural Beige 220. They sent it over to me. I love it, and it has like a pump, because previously the old one, right, it didn't have a pump and it's so troublesome, but this is great. And then I'm just gonna put it on my face. We're using all my new stuff today, and then using this Morphe sponge collab with Jeffree Star. It's alright. It's very tough though. Like, it's not as spongy as I thought. I like the BUSG one, the Singaporean brand. This is them, by the way, so it's pretty big. I just like the color of this. It's like super Jeffree Star. The foundation is good. You know, I always use Fit Me concealer and the foundation, so it's nothing that new. But if you're actually looking for a matte foundation, I actually like the Maybelline Super Stay foundation and the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear. It's so good. Oh my gosh, it's on my best of Singapore weather foundation. Yep. Okay, so now I'm done with like my foundation. I'm just gonna go in with this. This is the new one that I just got. This is the Catrice This is the Catrice Camouflage. This is the Catrice Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer. I finally got it in this right color, in 015 Honey. Done with my base, and then right now I'm just gonna put on this blush. This one is in the color Puff. I have a full range of colors that I bought from Glossier, and I'll link my YouTube swatches for Glossier below also. So this one, it's a new one, a new tube. I got it from my colleague. She went to UK and she got this for me. I'm so happy, thank you. give my cheeks some color, and it's a nice like pink shade. I think in my last Chinese New Year video I actually told you guys that like I don't know if it's just me or my family, they just don't like me in like full-on makeup, so I have to go in this really demure state. It's not me! No lah, but recently I've been loving like more natural makeup, so yeah. What else? Oh, okay. Yeah, and yesterday I went to Sephora and I got this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. I've been wanting this for like so long. And then I got in the shade Fair. So this is how it looks. It is so like finely milled and so creamy. I've heard a lot of good things about this, so I definitely want to try it out with you guys. Use GrabPay and my Grab rewards to pay for this powder, and guess what, I only paid like half its price. So happy. I live for such cheap thrills, honestly. Okay, looks matte, soft matte. Well, anyway, this is my Kindle. I'm currently reading this book called Sapien, and also what other books? Oh, if you guys have any book recommendation, please leave it down below. I would love to just, you know, read your recommendations. And also I bought a lot of like NYX products from Bangkok. Maybe I'll do like a full face NYX for you guys, NYX cosmetics videos. But anyway, I got this powder foundation. It's the Can't Stop Won't Stop powder foundation, and I got it in the color gold, and I've been using it as my contour shade, so we're gonna use this today. And also, like from my Bangkok vlog, right, I told you guys that I've been using this Bangkok eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna show you guys that palette right here, right now, and also how I usually use it. I actually just used one color, and I use my fingers to just dab the product on my eyelids. Super duper good. This is the eyeshadow palette. This is the one by the brand For You Too, and it's called Look At Me palette, and it's in the shade 06 Brown Addict. So I am gonna use this color. I love it. It's so shimmery and nice, and it's this like brown shade here. Okay, I'm gonna go in and just put it on my eyelids. Ooh! Look at the difference now. With eyeshadow, no eyeshadow. The depth. Ooh, love it. And it's so creamy, and it's like less than $10. Ooh, 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 ooh. And if you have a small mistake, you can just like sweep it away because it's so blendable. Done with my eyes. And then we are going into my lippy lip. This one, it's the Catrice Matte Lip Liner. I think this is the new release, and it's called Blessing Browns, limited edition. Very creamy. Okay, gonna line my lips. Oh, really very creamy. Oh, this is too much. Put some foundation over. And then I bought this other one. This is the matte lip cream. It's a matte finish, but this is in the color C01 in Cafe Au Latte matte sheer color. So I think it will do well with this red lip liner. It's nice. Yeah, we done. I actually also have this other one. This is the volumizing lip booster. the Catrice one. Ooh, this one looks like that. It's a juicy red color. I'm just gonna pile on this just so I just want the plumbing effect. It's minty, very comfortable on my lips. This is the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil in neutral brown. This is the ultra precise brow pencil. I love this. I actually featured this so many times on my IGTV as well as my YouTube. The Catrice volumizing lip gloss is so minty. Oh my gosh. But it's not as bad as the Too Faced one, the one that I tried on my Instagram. I have a highlight on the Too Faced lip injection on my Instagram highlight. So if you guys want to look at it, go see it. Go visit my Instagram. Yeah. Ooh, sorry. Okay, maybe I'll just add a little bit of blush, cause you know, a little bit of blush doesn't hurt. So I'm just gonna use this For You Too Candy Crush Matte Blusher in M4. This one is in the shade Candy Crush. So cute! Look at this. Like just 2 more steps. This is the Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara, the one that Bretman Rock uses. Just gonna brush up my brow hairs so it stays in place. What else? Oh, okay, I want to show you guys this. This is the Ofra Midi Palette Filling Myself palette. This is the highlighters, and we have Blissful, Pillow Talk, and Rodeo Drive. This is like the signature Ofra highlighter. Okay, so I'm just gonna like take all the 3 shades and just like put it on my face. Ooh, look at that. Okay, okay. Dun 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 dun. I am done. Your girl is done. Cupid's bow. Okay, I'm done. Yay! Done within 20 minutes. And I'm gonna use this continuous setting spray by Morphe. Just gonna... So good! Alright, so I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys like it, please remember to like and subscribe, and also follow me on my Instagram, TikTok, whatever, and yeah, we shall talk soon. Okay, I'll just give you guys a close-up. I love this contacts. So pretty. And look at the lip gloss, the volumizing lip gloss. So good! It's like super plumpy. Oh my god. Time's up! Bye!